Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So before we will actually enter the Play Store, we have to make sure that we've got the internet connection. And this time I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something big. So let's enter the Play Store, of course, after connecting to the internet. And if you are not currently logged in, you will have to do it right now. And then tap on this circle, which is your account. Tap on Manage Apps and Device, and here we have to go to Manage. As you can see here, we've got the list of all currently added and installed apps. So in order to check the updates for them, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, I've got 21 of them. So basically, all you have to do right now is to simply find the app you'd like to update and tap on the square next to it in order to tick it. Of course, you can pick all of them or 2 or 3 different apps which you would like to update. It's of course up to you. And after after marking it, just tap on this update icon. And as you can see, those updates will be right now downloaded, and after that they will be automatically applied and the apps will be updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually that's all. This is how to update the apps in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.